How to buy the Wolf token. So this token came under the symbol of Romulus. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It's created 15 hours ago and increased by 400% last 24 hours. Also, this token trending number 8 in the base section. Now to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here, copy the token address, and I'll open your wallet. I will need to get wallet for that. As you can see, we'll just log into my wallet first, as you can see here. And after that, select the base as an intro from the top and search for it. As you can see, this, and I'll click on it. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Romulus. Now after you find what you need to do, just keep searching. As you can see, this, and now click on it. After that, click on stop, switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, after that, click here on stop, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Romulus token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.